You are going to love 2016 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, power windows, security system, compass, fog lights, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, remote keyless entry. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.